I absolutely see it, and I agree with both Mike and Alfred on their points around platform standardization, portfolio rationalization, having that common framework from a platform standpoint that applications can then be sourced from is certainly key. It takes control of the IT enterprise, being able to have a set standard stack that applications will be built upon and supported through. And I think that's ultimately key. And that's efficiency, that's cost savings, as well as security, to Mike's point as well, being able to drive those into the organization and into the enterprise as well. And we've seen that across governments. Being able to manage those environments is key, being able to standardize on those. And I think the challenge that some would see is the migration, as Mike mentioned earlier, on how do you get those old applications into this new model. So the transformation is certainly something that needs to be addressed and is achievable in these models.
I think so too. I think it might take some new models. You might have to think through some of this, especially with the budget situation like it is. I mean, what we don't want to happen is we don't have the upfront transition money to get to where we need to go, because we know the savings are on the back end. And the way the budget cycle is right now, and the tenseness around the budget, you know, that part gets to be somewhat of a risk. But hopefully there'll be new models to get through that. And, you know, things like performance-based approaches, maybe even share and savings approaches, things like that can enter the equation again.
And the other aspect of that as well is the unleashing of the information that's within the enterprise. If you look at the defense segment as well, being able to have access to data to make informed decisions through this common framework, through this common platform as well. So you begin to expose information that you didn't even know you had in these types of models, as well as you move into these integrated cloud services-based models.
Yeah, and I would